Hi guys, so we are at Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys, so we are at Lolham Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Adam.
Battle Lamps Lower Pitch!
Look at what's that? Bang. Time now is 12:25 on Saturday the 7th of February 2015. This is for our 12:26 1 hour for 26, sorry, East Coast service from Leeds to London King's Cross. I wish Paul came over.
My tablet's gone weird.
What's wrong with it?
It's like, it won't let me stop up. No, it's split. It won't let me record.
Just use your iPhone.
No, I'm not really bothered. Oh. My memory has been leaked into finish.
Let's have a look at the East Coast phone box. Hoxton GB. What does that stand for? Do you know what GB stands for?
No.
Ah. What is this? Yeah, I know that, but is it an 8?
Train Joe.
It's an 8.
Start filming on my phone now. Oh God.
It's a 158. No, it's a 158 from Liverpool to Norwich. Yeah. $158,777. $158,777 to Norwich, and we're staying. Is it coming? The string is a bit flappy here.
Yeah, I told you it was flappy bird. Look, the gate's even flappy bird.
Yeah, it bangs. Plus both of these net skirts are actually tilted a bit.
Yeah, no, it's just someone vandalised it. Even that's not evenly done in. I'm deleting loads of photos. I'm deleting my hacks piece because I've already uploaded them.
I didn't know they did 158,777. Oh, what have I flipping done? It's alright, I'm back on.
Oh, what are you flipping done, eh? What have I flipping done? Delete some more.
Oh, here we go, 91.
I'm just deleting all my stupid photos. I don't really need. I just take
It's a shame you didn't get to film this closure.
Yeah, I filmed the closure jar.
Alright. Are you putting that on YouTube then?
Yeah, I'll just call it as Level Crossing 4. Level Crossing 4.
We got, it's LOLHAM, just to say.
Yes.
Just in case you spell it wrong like you did Newark Castle. We've got 82,208! 91,110 for the less we forgot. And up they go. Wait for the crossing to finish. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video. Oh!